Okay, check it out. We are live in direct. This is the dog days of summer. We're here with Riz with the cool ass hat. I love the hat, man. I love the hat. Fuck what anyone says. I love that hat. Yeah, man. It looks like it's popping here. We're gonna do Cabin Lake. We're going up to Cabin Lake for a little 10 essentials.
10 essentials. Yes.
First aid, yes. Shelter, yes. Extra clothing, no. Headlamp, no.
Nope.
I got the matches. Okay. Snacks, I got water. Sun protection, yes. Navigation compass, I do. And the knife, I do have a knife. So
okay, perfect.
I think I got 8 out of 10.
The other one for Cypress is bear spray. It's good to have.
We have bear spray, so.
And this is the like 10 plus essentials. So these are the.
All right, we've reached Cabin Lake, live and direct from August. Okay, next up we take a dip in. Okay, we are here, made it to Cabin Lake. We got the atomic dog next to me. And with these things, you gotta just do one shot. Oh. We got a whole cast of people over here. Yeah. Okay, now we're just waiting for Riz. Hop his ass in here. Red Hot Chili Peppers are playing. You gotta go in, man. Bust it. Just dive in. Cold, man. Cold. No, trust me, it's good. Just dive in. Ow! Yeah. How is it?
Am I alive?
Yes, you're alive. We are alive. This is.
Die?
You did not die. We're here, man. We're here. It's a party.
The world looks different.
I know, right?
Oh my God. This is not Earth.
This is another spot. This is another spot. Okay, so we're done. Cabin Lake. It is finished. Riz came out, had a good time. What would you rate the hike?
9.3.
I'm going with a 9. I'm going with a 9, man. We had to work a little bit to get to the top. There was you know, you get some incline and that's all good, but you get a reward with the lake up top. We met some interesting people and yeah, we decided not to do the $37 little roller coaster, right?
That's right.
Yeah, we're against $37 for the roller coaster. I would have done it if it was last summer, but I live here now and everything's expensive, so we're just chilling like villains. And yeah, man, this is summer madness. Summer madness. We out.